So Sverre, a new product for the X20 family.
Oh, I have been waiting for this. Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Okay, no more ASMR, just
thank God.
old school unboxing. Are you ready for that, Mads?
Yes.
So today we will be unboxing the new ACOPOS X2 module.
Sverre, this is a real game changer in the automation business.
It is really a game changer. From now on, we can control various motors directly in the X20 family. So it's a slice-based module you plug into the X20 system like you do with standard modules, and then you can control different kind of motors directly from the rack system. Ask me anything and I could reply with a yes.
Okay, can it control stepper motors?
Check.
Brushless DC?
Check.
Encoders?
Check.
STO?
Check.
Closed loop?
Check. But I think we should go a bit deeper. Technically, yes and no answers is perhaps not good enough.
No.
And for that, I have a special guest star. Welcome, Andreas.
Thanks a lot for having me, guys.
Yes. I guess you can tell a lot about this module you have been working on for the last days, years, months,
yes,
I don't know.
We spent some intensive time on that development, and I saw that you discussed already quite a lot of features on the product itself.
Yes.
And as I said earlier, I think it's really a game changer in our portfolio offering with the new ACOPOS X2 product and what we can do with it. I think you have forgotten one important point of the product. We are offering here 2 axes out of a very compact footprint. So either stepper or brushless DC motor, very flexible, so you can decide how you want to use the different axes on the product itself.
Do I need, is it 2 steppers or 2 brushless, or can I do a
No,
combination?
you can do a combination.
Okay, so they're
depending
fully
on
independent.
what motor you connect, the product either runs a stepper or a brushless DC motor.
So that sounds really interesting, Andreas. So now we have a solution for running these small brushless motors that we didn't have before.
But Sverre, that's not a motor. This is a motor.
Guys, doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter for that product. With that product, we are capable of handling any kinds of low voltage brushless as well as stepper motors.